Hello everyone, let's unbox A4TECH wireless keyboard and mouse. Actually, this comes in the package with a combo and which operates on 2.4 gigahertz frequency that is generally used for every wireless device that we use. So let's unbox it. So here is the opening point of this box. You can see it here. It was already closed here, but I have removed the strip and I'll just push it from here and let's make it straight. There you go. So it's a packed keyboard along with this cable. You can see this is a USB cable, USB port. It's a converter. Alright, keep it outside. And what do we have got here is, let's open it. So there are battery cells. You can see the cell come with couple of cells. Alright, and then let's see what else is there. So here comes out the mouse. As you can see, this is a mouse. Let's open it. So this is a mouse. You can read it. Fast adder. And there is certainly the place where we can put the cell. Let's open it. Yes. So there is this USB. So this is the dongle that we will use for connecting both wireless mouse and keyboard, but let's put the keys in. Alright, now let's close it. Here you can see another place of putting it right here, and it's done. Right, and there is a button for on and off. So currently it's on the off position. Let's switch it on. Right, I've put it on position, and let's now unwrap this keyboard. You can see A4TECH. Right, now let's keep it aside and let's see where we can put the battery in it. Certainly it should be here at its back side. Open it. And this is the battery that we are going to put in it. Done. Now close it. Alright, so here keyboard or mouse, both are ready. Now let's put this dongle into the computer desktop, which I will use to demonstrate how does it connect. So this is my CPU, in which I will just insert this USB dongle right here. Yes, and we are done. Now let's check the working of keyboard and mouse. Alright, so you can see the setup, and now I have inserted the dongle inside this CPU, keyboard and mouse, both are connected with it, and this is the screen which I'm certainly going to, yes, when I hit spacebar I got this screen which is active, and now let me activate it. Yeah, you can see I just inserted the pen and it activated the screen, and you can also see that mouse is working perfectly well. So here, if I go on to see any, mouse is working. I'm working with mouse and it's perfectly working okay. Alright, thank you for the video. Please share your comments and let me know if you have any problem regarding the wireless keyboard and mouse installation. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing process.